Hi y'all, Sandra Rains DeBusk, Sasquatch Girl and author. Thought I'd come out, switch out my SD, and might as well record a little while I'm doing it. But anyway, you guys, see that part in the yard? It's always been that way. Anyway, this is my yard. Over there is a little grave site. My wolf Samson, my oldest son's husky Dean, my large Chihuahua Max, and our little mini Jack Russell Jack. They're all over there. Anyway, thought I'd tape just a little bit. And this camera, this iPhone sucks. I mean, I like the phone. It takes beautiful pictures, but I just can't zoom very much. So anyway, I'm gonna walk over here. Decided to see my rose bushes. Don't got roses on it yet. They do not have roses on them yet. So anyway, I'm walking, let me zoom out, this is actually our new trail. Did this a couple years ago. But I'll walk up a little ways. Shady will probably follow me if she hears me. And I'm gonna look for footprints while I'm at it because ground's wet. I got my house shoes on, guys. See? But I should have came out earlier and videotaped, but you know what? I like this time of night, especially this time of evening, after it's rained. Hear that mourning dove? I love mourning doves. I used to think that was an owl, but I learned after a while of living here that it's a mourning dove. Sounds like they're mourning too. Hi, Shady Girl. I thought you'd follow me up, but you didn't. You's already up here. She goes exploring in these woods. You know, last night, guys, I was sitting in my office, had my window, because long after dark, I shut my window and my blackout curtains. You're going to get all muddy, girl. She rolls around. Anyway, because I get the creeps with my window open, because I can't see out, but whatever can see in, because of my monitor. And, anyways, I was sitting there, and I was watching David Wilcock, right? He was live. Are you gonna roll around, girl? Yep, her's a good girl. Anyway, and I heard a fight right out in my office garden. It was a big cat, like a bobcat, versus another animal, probably a raccoon. And I thought it was Shady getting hurt, and I jumped up, flipped on the back porch light where Shady stays, and she was asleep on her house. She had raised up and looked to see what was happening, but I never did see what was fighting. But I just know the sound of it was a large cat, larger than a domestic cat, which means bobcat, mountain lion. But that wasn't the sound of a mountain lion, it was more the sound of a bobcat. Are you rolling around in the mud? She just, lovely cat. Feral to anybody but me and Robert, and now me, Robert, and Sarah, my daughter. She loves Sarah. What are you doing? Anyway, guys, there's the Unibuilt double wide. There's home. Anyway, y'all, trail goes all the way up top of the hill. There's a trail over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's all mossy, so we usually drive up this in the golf cart when it's running. First time it's ever broke down in almost 8 years. But I guess it would have paid us to maintenance a little more than we did. I mean, we always kept water and gas and oil, or oil and gas in it, and new batteries. Nobody ever thought about a solenoid or fuel injector switch. Okay, guys. Well, this is behind the house, behind my office. I'm going to switch out my SD, go back in. So, God bless, peace and love, love and light, and peace out.